Hello traders, this is Ramya. In today's video, we'll see about stock options using top gainers and top losers. So the strategy goes like this. First, we'll start with stock selection. So first is stock selection. If the overall market of Nifty is bullish, select the top 5 gainers, leave the first one so that we can have some space for the stock to move. If Nifty is above 0.2%, you can confirm that the market is bullish. And if the market is bearish, that is Nifty is below minus 0.2% or below that, choose the top 5 losers, leave the first loser. And also make sure that the stock you have selected is in F&O, that is in futures and option segment. Only then you can use the options. And the next step is to check whether the stock price is above 200 EMA in its 1-day time frame, so that we can confirm that the overall trend of the stock is also bullish. I am just saying this for bullish. If you want bearish, you can do the opposite. So now the next step is to choose the option premium. You can go for at the money if you want a quick scalping, as it is very fast, the movement is very fast, but the time decay is also very low. But if you are using a small capital, or if you just want to practice, you can use slightly far away OTM. Now let's look at the entry criteria. The indicators used here are stochastic momentum index, 23310 settings, and EMA. And in price action, you can use support and resistance, previous day range, or pivot points. So we take an entry whenever there is a pullback from these levels, and also stochastic momentum index gives a signal. For confirmation, we can choose the top volume stocks among the top gainer or losers. And we can also see if the volume increases with the increase in price. And also we can use VWAP for more confirmation. Now we'll look at the target. The target should be at the next support and resistance level or pivot point, and close before the stochastic momentum index gives the opposite signal, and also ATR should be above 1.5. So now when it comes to stop loss, there's only one criteria, that is it should be 2 ATR from the swing reversal or pullback. Now let's see a few examples. Now go to Money Control website and go to markets and then stock market statistics. Choose the top gainers and go to read more. You will find all the stocks here, and I am entering it in the trading view and Upstox. So now I am checking whether these stocks are above 200 EMA in 1-day time frame. So let's see. Cipla is bullish, Sun Pharma is also bullish, and Dr. Reddy is not bullish, it is bearish, and JSW Steel is also bullish, BPCL is bearish, Coal India is also bullish, and Titan is also bullish. Okay, so I am removing BPCL and Dr. Reddy from the watch list. So now let's see the stocks one by one. So now in Cipla, we can take an entry near this pivot level, and also stochastic is giving the signal. That is SMA is giving the signal, and the target can be up to the next level, or you can run your profits using trailing stop loss. Okay. We will see the stop loss shortly. We will move on to the next stock. Now Sun Pharma, this was a trending stock, so we will have to look for minor signals, that is mini signals. So here you can see it gives a pullback near this pivot level, and it goes up to the next level also. It has crossed the next level and reached the other level also. And SMA is also given a crossover. And in the next one, there are 2 possible entries. If you enter in the first one, you can wait till the next level, or you can also enter at the second level. Okay. It has given both pullback and also SMA signal. Okay. And now in Coal India, SMA has given a signal and pullback from the OHLC level, that is the previous day level, and it has crossed two levels also. And in Titan, we can see we had two signals. So we can enter at the first signal and wait till the last one, last level, or you can enter at the second level. So now we have seen target and entry level. Now we'll move on to stop loss. So now we use ATR indicator, that is average true range. So now look at the ATR number and multiply it by 2 and have it as stop loss. So that stop loss should be placed from the swing low. Okay, this is the swing low point. So from here you should take into 2. If the ATR value is 4, you should keep 8 points below that swing level as a stop loss. Okay, next one we'll see. So there are two pullbacks here. Straight into the look for the ATR number and multiply it by 2 and keep that as stop loss from the swing low if you are going on the bullish side. Okay, it almost never crosses the ATR stop loss if it is just the volatility. If the trend is reversing, obviously it will cross, but it is just the volatility or normal movements, the ATR stop loss is very accurate. So for JSW steel, also the same, look for the ATR near the pullback. So into 2 would be your stop loss. So that is, for example, if the price is 807 and ATR is 1, your stop loss should be below 805 or at 805. Okay. The same thing for Coal India also. So for Titan is also the same. Look for the ATR and then into 2 would be your stop loss. Now you can see the option chain of the stock. Either pick ATM, that is nearby the spot price, or choose far away OTM, that is 1 or 2 prices far away from the spot price. And you can also check the news of the stock by clicking on the related news section below. If you click on the buy button, you will get the pop-up. So the quantity into the stock price is the capital required for that trading. At the top corner of the site, you can see whether Nifty is bullish or bearish. According to that 0.2%, or you can use 200 EMA in the Nifty chart or Bank Nifty or whatever you're trading. So these are the rules I have been following, and I'll be sharing few examples every day, and we'll see how it goes. So please backtest the strategy before doing it in the live market. And if you have any doubts regarding this strategy or stock market in general, you can comment in the comment section below, or you can DM me. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you soon.